Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a class point, how to use class point in your PowerPoint presentation. It is very important that you already have an account in the class point. So let's say for example, I'm going to do my own PowerPoint presentation. This one. I already have. And since I already have my PowerPoint, my ClassPoint account, so whenever I open my PowerPoint presentation, you can see this one. This one. Ayan, ayan, ayan. So, all I'm going to do is to just click this and then my account will appear. This one. So, I have to click this. So, since nandiyan na siya, meaning to say, naka-online ako. So, this is my already made PowerPoint presentation using the class point. So, this is my lesson, AP, Araling Panlipunan. So, my topic is about nasyonalismo sa Asia. So, dito, pwede kong ipakita muna rito yung mapa ng Asia. And then dito, pwede ako magpa-submit dito ng picture for my students para sa attendance. So, pwede ko rito i-click yung upload image. So, as you can see here, nakalagay dyan, upload image. And 20 seconds lang ang required ko. So, ang gagawin nila dito, what they are going to do is to picture themselves or make a selfie and then upload. Upload here. So, magkakaroon niya ng code, class code. So, ibibigay ko yun sa estudyante ko after. Then, simple as that, ilalagay nila dito yung mga picture nila. Maglalagay sila real time ng kanilang picture. Then, parang ordinaryong PowerPoint presentation lang siya. Ang kaibahan lang is, they can join you. They can write whatever they wanted to write there as you have required them to do. Wala. So, halimbawa, upload video or audio recording or fill in the blanks. Yan. Image upload, slide drawing, or short answer, or word cloud, yon, or multiple choice. So, on time or real time, nakakagawa sila ng sagot nila. Parang ordinary lang siya. Ang kaibahan lang, pwede silang magsagot ng kanilang sa PowerPoint. Mag-join sa'yo. So, itong mga to, let's say this one, multiple choice, pwede ko itong gamitin sa class points by using this. Ayan. So, gagamitin natin 3 lang choices. Okay. So, sasagutan nila yan. Sasagutan nila yan. And this one, asa na ba to? And then dito, ganun pa rin. Multiple choice pa rin. So, 3 choices. So, ito ibababa nito. Kaya lang wala akong selfie stick. Kaya hindi ko siya maibaba dahil hawak ko yung aking cellphone habang kumukuha nito. So, ganun lang. Ganun din. Multiple choice. 3 choices. Then, alisin na natin to kasi ito ay combination to ng iba't ibang, ito na igalaw ko pala. Iba't ibang lesson. So, tatanggalin ko tong para maging yung ibang bang question para maging purely multiple choice lang talaga siya. So, this one, paano ba to? Hoy, gumalaw. Ayun, may gagalaw ko siya. I-click natin, tapos ibababa. Okay. So, masasagutan nila yan. At makikita mo real time, yung feedback, yung sagot nila. Yung grade sila kaagad. In real time. And then, save lang. Save mo lang. Ganon. Tapos, pag sinend mo siya, ibibigay mo yung class code sa mga estudyante during the presentation. Let's say, for example, para makita yung class code, ito ano ko siya. Ayan yung class code. Ayan. Yan yung ibibigay mo sa mga bata. Ito yung class code niya.